You guys gotta see my tripod. Ghetto. Look at that thing. Today we're gonna customize my easel. I gotta run a 7-Eleven real quick, so I'll be right. Got my desk all cleaned up. I'm gonna put this on pause. Library to get on Wi-Fi, do some research on a few things. And I have to find a job by the end of the week, or else I'm gonna be homeless. I'm working on a cinematic video right now. And I'm working on this too. The 100 challenges. So I think we're at like 90 challenges. We need like 10 more. So comment an art challenge you'd like to see me try on this video. I'll see you guys there. I did the bottom just to see what it looked like. I ended up liking it. So I sanded everything down, got the primer. So as you see, I got the whole top half done, and then I took a break, went to the library. Run right into it? Nope. Oh, we're so burnt. This comes down to like a perfect. I got up and I did a layer finish. This morning, earlier, I did a layer finish. So it's completely painted. You guys will see in the background, it's all done. Ordered a tripod like selfie stick thing from TikTok shop. And it's been like 2.5 weeks. It's still not here. Than that. Watch this. Can I get a ride? All right. Cut him off. Nah. Green. We're gonna cut him off again. Bob. He's pissed. Tree. My spot. We're cruising home. Oh.